Okay, this is a review of the Ohio State Math Placement Test. Katie, I hope you have a great time in Columbus, and if anyone else is using this out there, I hope it helps. Okay, before each problem, I'll kind of go over some things that you need to remember from math. So that is the cube root symbol, and remember the cube root of anything cubed is that thing. So the cube root of x cubed is x. The cubed root of 2 cubed, well, keep in mind that's also the cube root of 8, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, and that's just 2. So that's what you got to keep in mind, okay? Let's start out by just separating these things out. So the cube root of a to the 9th over the cube root of 4, and then we're going to write, instead of writing this as a division problem, we're going to turn it into multiplication because I think it's significantly easier to work with. It just makes more sense on my eyes. Okay? So, the cube root of a to the 9th we will rewrite as the cube root of a cubed cubed. Does that make sense? And that's going to be able to allow us to cancel. And then there's nothing we can do with the cube root of 4, so we're just going to write it like that. Let's take a closer look over here at the bottom of this fraction, the denominator. You could write that as 8 times 2 times b cubed. Okay? So coming down here to our next line, on the top, this cube root will get rid of that sign, so you're just left with a cubed over the cube root of 4 times 1 over, okay, now remember the cube root of 8 is 2, so we take that out. The cube root of b cubed is b. And so all we're left with underneath there is a cube root of 2. So now let's go ahead and multiply these out. You get a cubed on top. You get 2b times the cube root of 4 times 2 is 8. Oh, well, that works out perfectly. So you're going to get a cubed over 2 times b times 2, which is more easily written as a cubed over 4b, and you'll see that matches the answers provided. Boom!